Hey guys, Josiah here with Aesthetyx Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a one-armed push-up. Okay, so before we get started with today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and click that little bell icon. That way every time I come out with a new video, you guys are getting notified so you don't miss out on any new content. Also, if you feel like it, please leave a like down below, it really helps me out. Now, let's get started. Okay, so the one-armed push-up, it's that body weight exercise that's basically the universal sign of strength everywhere. If someone sees you do a one-armed push-up, they're impressed by it. It's just the way it works. People will see you doing push-up, bench press, squat, deadlift, but if you can do a one-arm push-up, you kind of set yourself apart because it does require a little bit of extra strength and coordination both in your chest, shoulder, tricep, and trunk area in order to keep yourself stabilized as you're doing the motion. It's also a very practical exercise to learn because if you're ever in a situation where you have no access to weights of any kind but still want to get a good push workout in, it effectively doubles the load of a regular push-up because you're lifting your entire body with just one arm instead of with two, so therefore you can get a lot heavier weight workout in with just your own body weight. So step one to performing a one-armed push-up is to be able to do a regular push-up well. That means keeping your back straight, feet together, arms at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Before attempting a one-arm push-up, you should make sure you're able to do at least 30 push-ups in one set without stopping. The next step are some push-up variations that'll be helpful to you in learning a one-arm push-up. One is the side-to-side push-up, and the other is a one-arm elevated push-up. Some people use a medicine ball, or in this case, as you see, I'm using a couple books stacked up to help elevate my one arm higher than the other. The point of these two push-ups is that they place stress on one side more than the other. Just make sure to do it on both sides you are evening out. This will help prepare your body for the extra stress that a one-arm push-up will require. One more practice motion you can do in building up to doing a one-arm push-up is a one-arm push-up negative, where you push yourself up using both hands, then put one hand behind your back and lower yourself down using one arm. Repeat as necessary. Alright, so now when you're finally strong enough and coordinated enough to do a one-arm push-up, what you're going to want to make sure to do is place your feet farther apart than you would for a standard push-up because you're going to need that extra triangular balance that you get from placing your feet farther apart. Also, move the hand with which you'll be performing the push-up in a little bit. Make sure it's not outside your shoulder because you will be using that as your center of force when you're pushing, so it needs to be a little closer to your center of gravity. And the main key when doing this exercise is to not rotate your torso any more than necessary. You will want to compensate a little bit with it when doing the motion, but keep it as level as possible throughout the motion to avoid accidentally injuring your back when doing the motion. Alright guys, that is it. That's how you do a one-arm push-up. Hopefully this video is helpful and educational for you. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like down below and comment with your favorite bodyweight exercise. And of course, subscribe to this channel because I have new episodes coming out every Monday and Friday to help you train smarter and look better.